in order to illustrate the subtraction of the two sets, that is A minus B. So, here in this regard, say I am going to consider the set A elements as 1, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 12. Similarly, I am going to consider the set B elements as 7, 5, 9, 0, 11, 12 and 15. So, here find out, in the first case, find out, so here A minus B, and in the second one B minus A. The latter after finding the sets of A minus B and B minus A, and in the third case, then now by observing, by analyzing these two, that is A minus B sets and as well as B minus A set, what do you conclude, or in other words, what do you infer? Solution starts now. So, in our solution, as per the problem, the sets which are given for us are, so here set A elements are of 1, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, here 1, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 12. So, 1, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 12 are the elements of set A, and similarly, so here set B is given by means of the elements, then 7, 5, 9, 0, 11, 12 and as well as 15. Now, we are going to find out the first one, that is A minus B. In order to find out the A minus B set, so first of all, let us write the set A elements as 1, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 and as well as 12 within the brackets. Then now the symbol is of negative, that is minus sign. Then now set B elements are of 7, 5, 9, 0, 11, 12 and as well as 15. But here we are going to subtract B, set B elements from set A elements as per the definition of the subtraction of the two sets. So, here we will be getting the elements, we will be getting a new set which consists of the elements of set A, but not the set of B. So, here, or in other words, set B is entirely what I say here eliminated or subtracted or removed from the set A. So, here we have to choose, in this regard we have to choose only the common elements. So, common elements present in both the sets are of. So, here 1 is the element of set A, but 1 is not the element of set B. So, here 5 is the element of set A and as well as B, we can cancel 5 and 5 in both the sets. So, 7 is the element of set A and 7 is also the element of set B, so they can be gets cancelled. Then now 8 is not the element of set B, so here 9 is the element of both set A and as well as set B, so 9 can be gets cancelled. 10 and 12, so 10 is the element of set A, but it is not the element of set B, so then now 12 is the element of both the sets, so 12 can be gets cancelled. So, now while writing the result, that is the new set, so your set consists of only the elements which are left over in the first bracket, that is the set A, but not the elements of set B, even though the elements 0, 11 and 15 are left over in the set B, but set B is removed from set A. So, we have to write the elements of only set A. So, here leftover elements of set A must be involved. So, here must be included as the set of the A minus B. So, here 1 is the element which is left over in the first set, and at the same time say here 8 and as well as 10. So, here these elements 0, 11 and 15 should not be included because these elements are removed. So, here therefore, 1, 8 and 10 are the elements of the new set that is formed is of A minus B. So, in this manner I say here, hence A minus B is equals to set consisting 1, 8, 10. So, this is from first one. So, let us write it as the first equation. So, here now let us go for the second one, that is B minus A. So, here second one is of B minus A, then that equals to. So, here B, set B elements are of 7, 5, 9, 0, 11, 12 and 15, bracket close, minus set A elements are of 1 comma 5 comma 7 8 comma 9 comma 10 comma 12. Then now in order to subtract these set, so these elements of the second set, that is A, from the set of B, so we have to choose the common elements. The common elements are of, so 7 and 5 are common for both the elements, so 7 and 5 are removed or cancelled. So 7 is common for both, and similarly 5 is common for both the sets, so 7 and 5 are gets cancelled. Similarly 9 is present in set B and 9 is also present in set A, so it can be gets cancelled. So 0 is the element of set A, set B, but it is not the element of set A. Therefore, so here it should not be get cancelled. So here 11 is the element of set B, but it is not the element of set A. So 12 is the element of set B and 12 is also the element of set A. Therefore, it can be gets cancelled. So 15 is present in set B, but it is not present in set A. Therefore, it should not be get cancelled. So here, therefore, the elements which are left over are, so we have to write the elements which are left over in the first bracket, but not the second bracket, but second bracket is removed from the first bracket. So here, therefore, the elements which are left over are of 0, 11 and 15. So here we should not include 1, 8 and as well as 10, because these elements are removed from the first bracket. Therefore, the elements which are left over in the first set, that is B, will be the elements of the B minus A. So therefore, 0, 11 and 15 are the elements of B minus A set. Therefore, B minus A is equals to 0, 11 and 15. So let us consider this as the second one. In the third case, what do you infer? So what do you conclude from these two conditions? So here let us write, so from, as the third one, from 1 and as well as, that is the first one, from 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, the first one is of, first one is of A minus B. So here A minus B equals to 1, 8, 10. So here A minus B equals to 1, 8, 10. Set consisting 1, 8, 9 as the elements. So let us write this as the first one. Then now here next one, that is B minus A is equals to set consisting, so B minus A elements are of 0, 11 and 15. So 0, 11 and 15. So these are the elements of second set, that is the B minus A. So here by analyzing these two, the right hand sides of these two sets, of these two equations. So here in the first equation, the right hand set is of, right hand side set consists in the elements as 1, 8 and 9. The second set, the second equation, the right hand side elements are of 0, 11 and 15, but they are not equal. These two sets are not equal. Therefore, so here A minus B won't be equals to B minus A. Hence, we can write it as, since the sets on the right hand sides are not equal, therefore left hand side sets also will be not equal. Hence, A minus B, that is A minus B, will not be equals to B minus A.